To make this effect, there are two things that you need to do. First is to have footage of your subject walking and opening, quote-unquote, the mirror. There's actually no mirror here, you are just pretending that you're opening, and your cameraman is replicating as if the door are opening, and on the other footage you actually have opening of the closet or whatever you want. And the key thing here, there are two key things, and that is you start from this center of the green and slowly expanding backwards as if you are coming out of the mirror. And the second thing is for you to be as much as possible behind your subject, not from its right or its left or almost in front of it. You want this mirror to show as much as you can. Now, mirror in quotas, because this is just a piece of green paper I placed. You can't have actual mirror and then just tape the paper over the mirror. And now, as you have your footage, you have conquered the hardest step of the process. Now comes the easy thing, the DaVinci Resolve magic. So you go to the first clip and find where the quote-unquote doors, since they are imaginary, are opening. Use your arrow keys to go, and around here I start to pull the door. I'm going to select the clip, mark it, and then go to the other clip. We're gonna see again when does the door open. Around here they open. Oops, I didn't select the clip. That is the important thing. Now I'm going to turn on my magnet with N, and magnet snaps to the marker. Lift this in the new layer above the first clip, and since we have snapping, the markers are gonna intertwine. Now we're gonna have remove this green screen, and to do so we go Open Effects, 3D Keyer, and slap it on like this. To access the effect and to manipulate it, go to this tab after selecting the clip and choose Open VFX Overlay. And the important thing here is to choose eyedropper icon with plus sign, and that basically allows us to extract multiple shades of green we want to remove without needing to strike the perfect balance. We can add over and over and over again. The reason we need to do it because my lighting or anyone lighting who isn't professional wouldn't allow for a single tone of green like on the screen, for example here. And for that you need to go multiple passes. So we go here, almost everything is black, which means we eradicated all of those green. We go here. Now we need to go again since there is still greenery shown. We go here a bit and just repeat the process. If it's easier for you, you can remove the clip and then see is the clip entirely black or are there any leakage like here. I will disable the snapping tool and go slowly. Here. Nice. Now deactivate again the snapping tool, move it here, and to remove these green lines, instead of painstakingly doing this and risking that something that isn't green gets removed, you just go here in Effects tab while this is selected and despill on maximum. Now it looks like there is a shadow here instead of green, and if you look closely, it's almost perfect. Now there is a big problem here. As you can see, if I play the clip, the rotation of the door I filmed is opposite to the actual rotation of this clip on top. So to do so, I need to add mirrors to this bottom clip. Go here and you will see it is not the best, we don't want that. And to make your clip flipped, you need to set it to -0.5, and as you can see it is flipped. Before it was this, If I get it back, it is desired. And now, if we check it, it is almost perfect. I say almost because my lighting doesn't allow me to get the best results. Hollywood studios have millions of dollars invested in this technology, but for us newbies, this should do the job. Now, in this case, maybe you wanted to use planar tracker instead of just using this green screen, and maybe that will be a better result. But with green screen, you can remove complex motion without using mask for every frame. You can add whatever clip you want with ease. That will be it for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you want me to cover some topic, leave a comment. If you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe. And I will see you soon. Take care.